There you go. See him?
I have to keep it.
Oh!
Holy crap!
Get it away from the hole.
Nice bass.
That is not an eater.
That's not an eater, but that's a picture taker.
Yeah.
Stop, B, stop, stop, stop. Back up, back up, back up, back up. I got the line right here. Walk around me this way.
Let me see.
Man, he was barely hooked. He didn't even pierce through. It was just sitting
That's
on his lip.
awesome.
Huh?
I got.
Those are his gills.
Go show him to the camera real quick, Luke.
Here, Luke.
Wait, can you hold that?
Just right here. Take your glove off. No, take your glove off. Just grab him right in the mouth. Just grab him in the mouth. Luke, look.
He's not
that's
gonna
where
hurt
he's
you,
gonna
bud.
poke you. Grab him in the mouth.
Put your thumb right in there. You can grab him. It's not going to hurt. Squeeze him tight.
See?
Show him to me. Hold him up.
One hand.
Smile.
Let me
Good.
see.
So show him to the video
Hold on.
camera too.
Where is it?
Over there.
Let me go see how
Babe has a
Okay,
body
watch
now.
You're going, B.
Yeah.
Here, Luke. Hey.
Alright, you want to sit back down or you want to get some Pringles? Take a break for a second, warm up your hands?
All right,
Okay.
he's got to go back to the water.
Go back.
Here, you know what I'm going to do?
You don't
I'm
need
going to get
those.
you a warmer
Hey,
for
come here. Stop putting around.
pocket.
Warmer for
Luke,
what?
just grab him right in the mouth. That's the best way to pick him up, or you're gonna get stuck.
Warmer for what?
Huh?
Pocket.
What?
So this hand, we'll put it right in here.
Luke, he can't bite you.
I feel him.
You're killing him.
Like this.